Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. Introduction, which is the most important part of any interview because 90% case interview get started from the introduction part. Directly, indirectly, they ask about you, tell me about yourself. Okay, what you do? Okay, why you want to come to the banking industry? So this part is always helpful during the interview. आप इसको अच्छे से तैयार करें. What should be the major component which we should add and in which language we should introduce ourselves? Is it always necessary to introduce in English or Hindi is also fine? तो इसके बारे में मैं पूरी आपको guidance दूंगा in this particular video, so watch till end. One important information guys, for your convenience we have listed another batch with the 2 mock interview to decrease the price also, so it will be affordable for you. You will be able to join it at around 1700 rupee now after discount. So with the 2 mock interview and all the live classes will be available in the batch. Check the details and join the batch to start your preparation immediately. Now introduction part should be kept ready in which language, either in English or Hindi. किस में हम तैयार करें, how to respond for the introduction if they will be asking to introduction to us. तो देखिए ध्यान रखिएगा, always follow your panel. If the panel is raising the question, okay Aditya, tell me something about you. अगर उन्होंने बोला okay Aditya, tell me something about you, then I will respond, thank you sir. सर एज यू ऑलरेडी नो माई नेम इज आदित्य. ये बहुत छोटी सी चीज होती है, याद रखना होता है. डोंट रिपीट योर नेम अगेन वन मोर टाइम. व्हेन दे सेड ओके आदित्य टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ, इट मींस दे नो माय नेम, राइट? दैट इज व्हाई दे से ओके आदित्य टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ. तो आई विल नॉट स्टार्ट माय इंट्रोडक्शन इन दैट वे. सर माय नेम इज आदित्य. आई विल से दैट thank you sir, thank you for giving me this opportunity. As you already know sir, my name is Aditya. I'll start my introduction in that manner. I hope you are getting my point. Second thing, remember that always try to respond in the same language. अगर आपसे हिंदी में वो पूछ रहे हैं, अच्छा आदित्य बताइए अपने बारे में, कुछ बताइए, क्या करना चाहते हैं, क्या किया हुआ है, बैंकिंग सेक्टर में क्यों आना चाहते हैं, तो डायरेक्टली बैंकिंग सेक्टर में क्यों आना चाहते हैं पे जंप मत करो. अपने बारे में बताइए, उन्होंने बोला है. तो स्टार्ट फ्रॉम योर इंट्रोडक्शन, देन मूव टुवर्ड व्हाई यू वांट टू जॉइन बैंकिंग इंडस्ट्री. ध्यान रखा करिए, एक एक वर्ड का स्टार्टिंग कॉन्वर्सेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. दैट क्रिएट द फर्स्ट impression of your in front of the panel. बहुत important चीज है वो. So always prepare your introduction in English and Hindi if you have applied anywhere in north or in the eastern part or western part. If you are from south, then 99% case they will ask you to introduce only in English. तो south का challenge नहीं है, but if you are applying especially in the north part, then you should prepare introduction in both the language, in English, Hindi, both. Keep it ready, practice properly. Avoid the robotic sound during the introduction. It is also very important. Robotic sound means it should not be like you have learned it. Sir, my name is Aditya Dubey. I come from Balaghat district of Madhya Pradesh. So I have completed my graduation and engineering, and after that I started preparing for the banking examination. This is what the robotic tone. Avoid the robotic tone. It should not be there during the introduction. Like I am talking to you, right? In that manner, you need to prepare your introduction, but formally, not casually. It should be formal. So introduction should be in English and Hindi. This is what I have cleared you. Try to respond in the same language. अगर वो हिंदी में बोलते हैं, आप हिंदी में रिप्लाई करो. इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं, इंग्लिश में रिप्लाई करो. Now what are the major component in which we need to frame our introduction? क्या क्या areas हैं जो हमारे इंट्रो में होने चाहिए? Should we talk about our strength and weakness or not? तो उन चीजों के ऊपर बात कर लेते हैं. First of all, start from your name. डोंट से माई सेल्फ. कभी भी माई सेल्फ मत बोलो, वो कैजुअल वर्ड होता है. से प्रॉपरली, सर थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग मी दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ. वो ठीक है. सो थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग मी दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ. सर माई नेम इज, यहां पर माई सेल्फ नहीं बोलना है. माई नेम इज आदित्य दुबे सर. I have completed my graduation and engineering, and after that I started working with a tech company. During my work experience, I got the opportunity to meet with lots of working bankers, ex-bankers, which motivated me to come to the banking industry. So I started preparing for the banking examination, sir. This is my second attempt and first interview which I am attending in front of you. Last year I was unable to clear the pre-examination, and this year I am attending it as a first interview, sir. I am a type of person who is good in the presentation skills and communication skills. The reason being, it is a part of my job profile. I do communicate continuously or regularly with the candidates. Because of that, with the time, my communication skills got improved, sir, which will be helpful while working in the banking industry. Coming to my family, sir, my father is a retired government official and my mother is a homemaker. My father name is Shri Ashok Kumar Dubey. So you can say the father name first, then occupation, or occupation first, then name, or anything you can follow. So my father name is this, then occupation is this, mother name is this, occupation is this, and I have one sibling, sir. So here you will end up your introduction. I hope you are getting a complete structure. Don't talk more about your family. Don't add lots of information about your family. If they want to ask, they will ask it. So this is one thing. Be loud and clear. Talk about the qualities you hold, which will be helpful for the position of bank PO. So these are the things you need to talk about. Don't add your weakness in the interview. कभी भी interview में आपको weakness अपने end से add नहीं करना है introduction में. That sir, my weakness is I am a type of talkative person, or sir, my weakness is I am unable to communicate with the people. So don't never add your weakness until it is asked. Strength के ऊपर आप बात कर सकते हो, weakness कभी भी आपको अपने तरफ से नहीं बताने होते हैं. When they will ask about the weakness, then only you need to talk about it. I hope you got a complete structure. So remember, it is your introduction. So you should talk about you, your qualities, your achievement, your future goals, your strength. Then in the last one line, family, father, father occupation, mother, mother occupation, I have one sibling. Don't give more details about the sibling until unless your sibling is a banker. तब तक उसके बारे में कोई आपको बहुत इंफॉर्मेशन देने की जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है? So I hope now the doubt is clear regarding how to introduce yourself and how to prepare your introduction. So for these type of sessions in detail, you can join the batch. My classes are available in your IBPS PO interview batch. All the best for your interview. If there is any query, write in the comment box. Take care. Jai Hind. All the best for your interview.